Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the transmission fluid for Nissan Rogue 2015, 16 very much the same anyways, even 17, 18 the same. They want a CVT transmission fluid, very easy to replace it. I believe the 3.5 liter. So if you buy from dealer, I believe like $50 more expensive, but I buy OEM. CVT OEM for the Nissan, Honda, Mitsubishi, Asia car anyway, so it's not expensive, but it's better than from dealer. So this transmission fluid is I believe 3.5 liter. Okay, they have the tram plug over there. You have to use like the socket 19, and they don't have the dipstick either. So they have the tube over here. I'm going to show you. It is only Nissan that is ridiculous to remove the dipstick. They have the clip, so I'm going to show you how to replace remove the dipstick. Very ridiculous. Only Nissan. I can't believe that. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, anyone, they want a dipstick. They don't have the dipstick, but they have the cap for the dipstick. That's the very, you know, I don't swear anything, but it's ridiculous design. Only the Nissan. I don't like it, but anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to remove easy. Use the needle like this. So the clip, you have to move inside. Put inside and put it out, okay? Here like this, okay? Move like this. Just right like this. Okay, and put your hand, hold it out, even it's hard. See that? Here, I show you the clip. See that clip? You have to ride like this. Go on this side, go like this. And then the bad design. I don't know why they still decide like this. But anyway, okay. So now we go on the bottom out, turn the transmission oil. They want a CVT transmission fluid. So let's go on the floor. Okay, anyway, we're gonna tram plug over here. Oil pan. You have to use 19 socket. I have to do one hand and one hand hold camera. A little bit hard, but I mean like I want to show you guys. 19 socket, okay? Yeah. If you don't know what exactly how much oil, and you take it out, and you should be know how much. It's 3.5 liter. That's all. Not much anyway. I'm gonna make sure man see how much is it, and you gotta let you know that I let you guys know how much for the oil. Okay, after that, put it back. Okay, it's tight, it's not over tight, it's just tight by hand. So you can tight, it's just tight, not over tight. You can use a torque about like 35, 40 torque per put power. Okay, that's it. Now go up and fill up the oil, that's it. Okay, I use the point on like this. A small hole. So when I measurement is about like 3.5 liter maximum. Don't fill over. Okay. So I put that one on. Come on. Okay, 3.5. This 1.5 liter and good. Even Nissan, Toyota, same 3.5. Okay, and that's it. So make sure after that you start a car, let them warm. Go put the park, neutral, and in drive. Shift back and forth, back and forth. Let's see, make sure anything good. Test drive. So thank you very much for your watching my video. See you next video. Ciao.